Screencastify can be used by students to create a video from the webcam or the computer's screen. This video demonstrates how to install the app, the basics about capturing your video, and how to share the end product. Screencastify is an approved app for Austin ISD staff and students. On the Chromebook, open the Chrome launcher and find the web store. Alternatively, any Chrome browser can Google Chrome Web Store to find the apps. When you are logged in with your Austin ISD Google account, you will see the For Austin Independent School District link to our approved apps. Click it to open our App Store. Warning: student Chromebooks do not have enough memory to install many extensions. Just install the ones that you need and uninstall ones that you don't need. Scroll down the page to the Screencastify tile and click on it to open its install page. Click Add to Chrome to start the installation and then click Add Extension. You should see a pop-up window to accept the Google permissions. Accept them. Once installed, you will find the extension using the Extension Manager icon that looks like a tiny puzzle piece. Locate Screencastify in the list and click the Pin icon to pin the extension to the extension bar on your browser. You will start and stop the recording from this icon. I'm going to make a short video by clicking the extension icon. I can choose to record just one tab, the entire desktop, or just use my webcam. I'm recording the desktop and have turned on the microphone and the embedded webcam so that you can see me during the video. Click Record to start. The settings let me choose between the entire desktop or just one of the browser windows. Click the picture for entire screen and then click Share. You are now sharing your screen with Screencastify. In this example, I'm recording my screen, which is capturing a digital whiteboard app. You can see me in the corner as well as everything that the mouse does on screen. If I recorded just a tab, I wouldn't be able to view a different tab in my browser like this. To stop the recording, just click on the Screencastify icon again. You will have the choice to erase and restart the video, to pause the recording, or to stop the recording. Clicking the Stop button will end the recording and show you a preview of it. You will want to rename the video from the original Untitled name to something more meaningful. You can remove video from the beginning or the end by dragging the scissors icon and click Save Trim when you are done. You can't undo after clicking the second Trim button. To share your video, you can click Copy Share Link to copy the URL to this video. It's already saved to your Google Drive with permissions set for anybody with the link can view it. You can go back to your teacher's Blend assignment and paste the URL there. Anybody who sees this link will have access to view the video. It's important to remember that the Anybody with the link can view setting means that you should always consider where you are posting the link to the video. The videos are connected to your AISD student profile, and they will represent you as a student wherever they are seen. Another way to share this video is to download it. Click Export Video and then Export as MP4. It takes a few seconds to export, but then you must click the Download MP4 button to save it to your computer. To share it with your teacher as a video file, go back to Blend and click on the Media menu and select Upload Record Media. Click on the rocket to view the files on your computer. find the one that you downloaded, select it, and click the Open button. You can preview it before clicking the Submit button to add it to your Blend assignment. Submit your assignment or post your discussion reply to turn in your video. Screencastify is free, and all of your videos are saved to your Google Drive. Nobody can see them until you share the video with somebody. You are limited to 5-minute videos, so plan your video out first before recording. The Edit feature will allow you to make minor edits to your video before saving it or exporting it to your computer. Videos can be a strong tool for explaining what you've learned or demonstrating a skill to your teacher. Look in the details below this video for links to other Screencastify how-to videos.